What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. Today we have got the Honor Magic 8 Pro and as always we are checking our 4 key points: display, camera, gaming and battery, or simply DCGB. That's the order we test every flagship because these 4 truly define how a phone performs in daily life. Well, before we talk about DCGB, let's talk a bit about the design and build quality. Honor has done something special here. The Micro Four curved display flows seamlessly into a sleek matte frame that feels premium yet balanced. The giant Rhino glass adds strength without bulk, and the IP68, IP69 and IP69K ratings make this build surprisingly tough. Every curve, edge and cut feels intentional, clean, strong and refined, like a flagship designed to impress from the first touch. The 6.71-inch LTPO OLED screen is a visual treat. With a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR Vivid and Dolby Vision support, colors bloom naturally while staying true to tone. Peak brightness hits a stunning 6000 nits, so even under harsh sunlight, everything stays perfectly visible. The 4320Hz PWM dimming keeps viewing comfortable during long sessions, and the giant Rhino glass ensures clarity with protection. Watching content or scrolling through daily apps feels fluid, bright and effortless. This is true flagship level display quality. Honor Magic 8 Pro features a 50MP main sensor with CIPA 5.5 OIS, a 200MP periscope telephoto lens with 3.7x optical zoom, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP front camera, all supported by AI color tracking. Okay, portraits were taken using the periscope lens to test how the 200MP sensor performs with real subjects. Eva, my girlfriend and model in these shots, helped highlight how the Honor Magic 8 Pro handles different lighting and exposure conditions. Photos were captured at various times of the day, from soft daylight to late evening tones, showing how consistently it manages white balance and depth. Edge detection stays accurate, details remain well defined, and the overall exposure feels balanced. Skin tones appear slightly warm yet natural, while the background blur looks creamy and refined, creating a balanced, flagship-grade portrait performance. Switching to the ultra-wide for night scenes, this lens covers the widest field of view in its class. The Honor Magic 8 Pro manages decent low-light results. Some shots come out clean and balanced, while others fail to balance highlights and shadows. It's a mixed showing overall, promising but not fully consistent under tricky lighting. Moving from the ultra-wide to the periscope zoom, things are almost very similar, but it's a bit better here. The 200MP sensor shows its strength under night lights, pulling impressive clarity and exposure even at higher zoom levels. Colors stay lively without overdoing saturation, and details remain visible in complex highlights. Still, a few shots miss contrast or appear slightly washed for no reason. Overall, the Honor Magic 8 Pro handles night zoom photography with steady control, delivering balanced brightness, texture, and depth with true flagship level performance. Under night mode, Honor Magic 8 Pro usually performs well with bright, balanced exposure and commendable detail retention. Most low-light photos come out clean with accurate color tone and decent white balance. Shadows stay under control and highlights rarely blow out. Yet, in a few random shots, texture softens or light handling feels inconsistent. Overall, it's a solid performer that already delivers pleasing night shots but still has room to improve further with upcoming software updates. Recorded in 4K 60 frames per second, the footage shows strong sharpness, rich color accuracy, and steady exposure across various scenes. Focus locks swiftly, and transitions between tones feel smooth and natural. Dynamic range is well maintained, keeping highlights controlled and details intact. Stabilization stays steady while moving with minimal jitter or flicker. Overall, Honor Magic 8 Pro captures crisp, balanced and vivid 4K footage that feels consistent and polished, matching what's expected from a top-tier flagship camera system. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, Magic 8 Pro hits an Antutu score of 4,290,000. In 3D Merc Wildlife Extreme Stress Test, it reached a best loop score of 8,046 and dropped to 4,826 at its lowest, holding just 60% stability. That's where the concern starts, cause most flagships stay above 70% and gaming phones usually have above 80% stability. Well, during real gaming sessions, performance starts strong, but gradually drops after extended play. The 5780mm square cooling system keeps heat manageable, yet throttling still sneaks in. We didn't face frame drops early on, but the longer the play, the clearer it became. Something isn't perfectly tuned here. Honor Magic 8 Pro packs a 7200 mAh battery which easily carries through a full day of use. 120 watt wired charging fills it up in just 45 minutes, while 80 watt wireless make it even more flexible. Okay, dual 1216 stereo speakers powered by Honor AI Sound deliver clean mids and steady low-end balance. The AI surround subwoofer widens the stage, giving a richer feel while watching content or playing games without needing external audio gear.
You should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder. 'Cause when you think you're safe, just stay awake.
Running on Magic OS 10, based on Android 16, the interface feels neat and responsive. The 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner unlocks instantly. It's simple, secure, and feels integrated within the overall system. Yeah, Honor Magic 8 Pro also has a face unlock option. Well, it's time to wrap up. Honor Magic 8 Pro brings a stunning display and capable camera setup that clearly shine. Gaming performance, though, isn't stable enough for long sessions, and battery life stays within acceptable limits. Okay, we are gonna give away this Honor Magic 8 Pro to one of our lucky subscribers. What you have to do to join the giveaway is share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section. Please don't spam, cause spammers will get disqualified.